Today we're making polpette al sugo with Serena.
Serena is an Italian food blogger, and every week she publishes delicious recipes on her blog.
Thank you for inviting me to cook all together today.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming. We're making polpette al sugo, and polpette al sugo are meatballs with tomato sauce, so it's an Italian classic. What do we need to prepare polpette al sugo?
So for the sauce we have tomato and onion and oil. So this is for the tomato sauce. Then we need bread and an egg, milk, salt, pepper, meat, and parmesan.
Parmesan. Wonderful.
Parsley too.
And parsley, yes. And
Okay,
first step is?
First step is to chop the onion for the tomato sauce.
Okay.
Who does it?
I will do it.
Oh, she's
do
the
it.
perfect chopper.
So you are the perfect chopper for the
Oh,
parsley
yes.
too.
Brava.
Wait, you need another knife.
Chop in thin pieces.
Very small chop.
Okay.
Really small pieces.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, in case you start, in case I help you. Okay, and then I take away the line outside of the bread. What do you call this?
The crust.
The crust. It's very easy. Okay. Italian, very bit complicated than English.
I have been wanting to learn how to make the perfect polpette al sugo.
Yes.
Everybody asks the polpette al sugo. It seems to be such a big issue.
I know, well, because it's such a traditional and it's a very cozy dish. Just the leaves, right? I just use the leaves.
Yes, of course.
Then you chop it nicely.
Okay.
Nicely.
And
No, I'm gonna chop it ugly.
instead, the bread is made in little pieces, and you put in a bowl, little bowl, and you wet it with milk. To mescolare, to
mix.
To mix.
I'm crying. All of it? Yes.
Yes. Better.
Smaller? Or is this perfect? Say it's perfect. Say it's
It's
perfect.
perfect.
Thank you.
Just because you are a fan.
Because she always criticizes everything.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm done. Is this enough or more?
No,
Enough
that's
parsley?
nice enough.
Okay. So it's milk. Add milk in the bread.
Yes.
Wonderful.
No,
I'll turn on
just
the...
one thing, the bread doesn't have to be very wet. Like this kind of consistency, this kind of consistency. No?
See, perfect. Can I
yeah.
touch?
Okay.
Okay, so it's like
It's wet, but
sticky
it's
dough.
a bit okay.
How much oil?
Okay, that's enough. Huh?
Is this okay?
Yes.
Enough? Perfect. Butto dentro.
Tomato and salt, a bit of salt also on the
Do
tomato.
I have to wait or?
No, you
do I
have to
throw
wait
it?
until it's brown,
Okay.
bit brown. Okay. In the meanwhile, I put the minced meat in the bowl, and then you try to put the meat in this way. So when you put egg inside.
Oh, like a well.
Yes,
You do like
yes,
a well
like-
in the middle.
Okay.
What do you need?
No, nothing. I can go on to make a.
Yeah,
Meatballs?
yes,
Okay,
because
okay.
Benny's gonna. She
Okay.
has everything under control.
Okay.
I have everything under control. Is my makeup running?
Okay, then I put the meat.
one of those.
Okay. No, bread, sorry, in the meat. Bread in the meat. And I have to put,
I'll be the
sorry.
assistant.
You be her assistant. I will be in charge of the tomato sauce.
I
which
do the
is
cleanup.
Very important.
I am back with my hand clean.
Also the
So,
entire.
okay, I add the egg, a small egg for this quantità, how do you say?
For this amount, by
this
the way,
amount.
all the recipe, the entire recipe will be published in the details in the
Okay.
description below.
Okay. Then we add salt. Bit of pepper if you like it. And of course parsley that Valeria chopped very well.
Yes, I did such a great job.
Parmesan, okay?
Beautiful. It's very colorful.
This one Benedetta made, eh?
Yes.
Okay. It was very good.
Thank
I
you.
have to say it.
Thank you.
I have to say it, okay? Then, guys, I helped myself with a glove, plastic.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
glove.
you see, I didn't know
I'm
that.
going to.
Yes.
Is this okay?
But yes, that's okay. That's okay.
I'm
Okay, you
gonna
can
put
add. Okay, you can add.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, about the sauce, at the beginning you can put the sauce like that, but after a little bit, if you see that it's very wet, you can add a bit of water. Okay?
Okay.
If you need to add like more moisture.
Yes.
Perfect.
Do we cover it or no?
No, at the moment, no.
Okay.
The moment we leave this like this. Okay.
We are mixing everything together, okay, until that's an only duff. Duff is okay? No?
Yes.
Okay.
She's like squishing
Squishing.
the meat so
So-
that the bread.
Of course.
Breaks.
That's what I'm. Okay, that's what I mean.
Okay. There's so many amazing recipes of meatballs, and I'm so excited that we have want to share this time.
No, because it's always such a thing. I mean, meatballs have always been a big question mark. Some people ask if you add. I mean, the States they add a lot of uvetta in it, and sometimes they add
Raisins.
this raisins.
No,
Yeah,
we don't
so
use raisins.
No,
in
but
the-
there's so many
Yeah.
ways, and everybody thinks that they're.
It doesn't matter if you see some pieces of bread because we made a very easy recipe. Instead, you can also cut with a mixer, but not like crumble. Okay,
Okay.
a little less than crumble. In that case, you won't have these pieces. But when you make balls, you won't see it. Okay, just to be clear. Okay, you can see that duff now is. Like this, and we can start.
And how big do the meatballs have to be?
The meatballs like a nut,
Like a nut.
a bit bigger than nut. Okay, you can see like this. This is so I help. I was saying with the plastic glove for kitchen, of course, because he helped me. But the other hand is without. Okay,
Yeah, so you
to
make-
help yourself.
That's a nice trick.
That's a
Yes.
nice trick.
Because
Okay.
if not, it gets all your hands. Get
This
all-
is the ball. If you can,
Perfect.
okay. Okay, you can add a bit of water in the
Yes.
now. Maybe you show in the camera how is the sauce. Okay, you can add a bit of water.
Enough.
Yes, that's enough. Okay. You can cover with
With a okay.
Yes.
With a how do you say it? With a cup, with a lid.
A lid.
My English.
Can I help you?
yes, of course.
Oh, I
It's
want
a
to make
good
one
idea. Okay, it may happen that some are little and some are bigger, but it doesn't matter. The important
It's
is that
homemade.
less or more, they
This
are
one's
all
too
equal.
big.
That's because if they are less or more or equal, they will cook in the same time. Okay.
Can I say
Say, I'm sure she's gonna say something nasty. Go, say it.
no? It's just because well, when I make them at home, I know it's gonna sound ridiculous, but when I make them at home, I weigh them.
No, certo. Le pesa.
They pesa, so they're all like
Ah,
about
that's-
10 or 15 grams each. I do like 12 and I go there. I know.
But
Why am I
tell
not
you-
surprised?
Okay, that's a good idea to weight it, but there is also a special tool just to make meatballs.
Really?
Yes, use like a sort of spoon.
It's like an ice cream scooper.
Okay.
No?
Yes, yes.
put
Ice cream
big
scoop.
tip.
Yes, similar.
Yeah.
Similar.
Ways.
Okay. But just for meatballs.
Because how do you do them, Benny? She just goes.
I just go. I quite casually see the size. And,
Do you shape them in a ball?
well, that I do. Of course, not there are
Okay.
many balls.
I don't know why, but Benedetta is
Yes.
making smaller one and Valeria bigger one. I don't know why. You can make a lots of ways. I also make meatballs just with bread. When you have too much
Oh.
bread, maybe next
Just
time.
with bread.
Yes. Oh, we should do that next time.
There's no meat.
When
Just
meat,
bread?
Just bread.
That's great way of.
same-
Next time,
The
another
same
idea.
procedure. Okay, we'll be back
You'll be back. You'll be back.
because I have fun to cook with you.
Also, when I do meatballs, I cheat
What do you
because
do?
I use the slow cooker. I do this and then I go to sleep.
Okay, now we can open. But,
Okay.
we can take it up, okay? And then we can put
Wash my hands.
time in time to put meatballs
Inside?
in the sauce. Yes, of course. Okay.
How long does it have to cook for?
10 an hour.
An
10
hour?
minutes, no. 10
Ah,
minutes,
okay.
quarter an hour.
Okay.
No,
Oh,
it's-
that's quick.
Yes,
It is
it's quite
quick.
quick. All over if you cover a little bit with the cap, because so the
It cooks faster.
steam will
Yes.
help to cook earlier.
Benny, you're doing such a good job.
I know, I don't want them to smush together, so I'm trying to put them in the right place.
Okay.
Okay,
Maybe we had to take a bigger.
a bigger one, yes.
But to me, no, it's okay because
That's enough.
Okay?
yes,
Okay.
because the sauce will cover. That is important that the sauce will cover. In case it's not so, you will have with a spoon to take a little bit of sauce and put on the
that's
top.
good to know.
Okay.
Okay. And now, as instructed, I cover again.
And after about 15 minutes, look at what you get.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Brava.
Last thing, you can add a little bit of fresh parsley on the top at the end.
I think I like this. I think I should go get some forks.
I think you should go get some forks. And by the way, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the little bell icon so you get notified. In the description below, we will put the recipe and Serena's blog.
And I bought napkins too, because I foresee disaster.
When there's tomato sauce.
You try first.
Of course. It's gonna be hot. Did you already say everything we're supposed to be saying after?
Yes, approximately.
That's super buone.
Buonissimo.
Buonissime.
And if you have questions, comments to make, just leave them in the comments below. And Benny and I always answer.
Always answer.
I think I'll have another one.
Serena, thank you so much.
Thank you to you guys for
Thank you so
inviting
much.
me
And
again.
You will be coming back.
Yes, of course. Be very pleasure. It will be very pleasure to return.
Qui un po' di pane, mamma mia. Perfetto, me ne mangio pure un terzo.
Proprio buone.
Proprio buono.